So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. And on the previous videos I showed you that my worn brake pad light is constantly on, and one of the subscriber pointed me out that I need to check the resistor soldering, because over the years usually comes off and they were quite bad from a factory to start with. So yeah, and I did. I took apart all the instrument cluster, and yeah, on a closer inspection we can see small gaps in the soldering. So yeah, and I hope this is the cause of my problem. Right now we're gonna just solder them back together and probably test it out, and hopefully the problem will go away. Again, huge thank you for subscribers who suggested me to test this one out, and yeah, let's do the job. So yeah, I did solder them together. Fortunately don't have the right soldering hammer, but yeah, I guess that's the thing that I need to buy for a future project in a garage. But yeah, fingers crossed that this one gonna work, and let's assemble everything together. So yeah, at the moment of truth, everything is assembled, plugged in. Let's turn the key and see if our problem gonna go away. I guess it was our problem, because right now it does not light up. So, and if I release the handbrake, so yeah, light is off, and hopefully it's not going to bother us again.